Hey everybody, it's Scott, Simcoe Spring Service, and today we're going to be doing a springtime checkup on your vehicle. So if you have a vehicle and has leaf springs, like the Chevy pickup truck does, there's a couple of quick little checks that you can do to check to see if your suspension needs any maintenance or repairs, especially over the winter time. Things get a little neglected because it's covered in salt, sand, and snow, and any other kind of moisture and stuff like that. Makes it really unpleasant to go look at. So now that the weather's getting better, it's time to go look at the truck and check the suspension out and see if it needs any repairs or not. So today we're going to focus mostly on the rear leaf spring suspension, and all I'm going to need is a light and a little hammer, preferably a ball peen. I like the ball peen because it allows you to strike the leaves with a little peen area, and it allows you to test the leaves to see if they're cracked, broken, loose, or anything like that. So we're going to crawl underneath the vehicle and we're going to go check it out. So the first things we're going to look at is the shocks here. So when you take a look at the shocks, see if there's any like oil or any kind of like blackness coming out of the shock, and see if there's any like sand, dirt, or anything stuck to it. So if that's the case, then it's time to replace your shocks because they're probably leaking. It's fairly common, but not like super duper common. So go take a look at it. That's just a nice quick visual. It takes like 2 seconds. You're going to take a look at both sides here. Another thing you can do is take a look at your leaf springs, see if any of the leaves are broken or anything like that. Here's a picture of a broken leaf spring, so it's pretty obvious. It's nice to get underneath the vehicle. It's hard to see it from the side because the tar blocks most of it, so getting underneath the vehicle is important. Now what we're going to do is you're going to take your ball peen hammer. You're just going to lightly tap on the leaves just to make sure that there's no like weird sounds, because you can tell whether or not the spring is broken if it's loose. There you go. We'll do the same thing on the front. Everything looks good. So another thing we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the shackles. So you look at the shackles, they always rot out right here. So what you're going to do is take a ball peen hammer, you're just going to lightly rap on it. See how it sounds solid? That usually means that your shackles are in good condition. Also take a look at your hanger, see if there's any cracks. They usually crack right on this seam here. Other times they'll crack up inside of here. You can also see it, the bolts loose, stuff like that. It's just a really quick visual inspection. So one of the main reasons why I want to bring the light down here is sometimes it's hard to see. So the U-bolts usually break right in that little seam there or right here. So it looks like this one isn't broken either on this side. And that shock's not leaking oil or anything either. So that's pretty much it. So now we're going to go up top and we're going to do a couple other checks. So one of the other checks you can do is it's called a bounce check or a bounce test. And all you do is just go to the back of the vehicle, give her a little bounce. And it's supposed to stabilize pretty easily like that. So the shocks are in good shape on this one. There's really nothing of concern. However, if you do need to replace a broken spring, we've got a couple options for you. We do have repair kits for a lot of the Chevy pickups from the Ford F-150s. We also have some repair kits for the Toyota Tundra, Nissan Frontier, Toyota Tacoma, and a few others. So you can look at those. We have them for sale on our online store, and sometimes it's cheaper to replace a singular broken leaf than it is to replace the entire spring assembly. Now we do offer full installation for any of the suspension components, but we're located in Norfolk County, Ontario, Canada, so it won't be a viable option for a lot of people. But there you go, a couple of thoughts for you. It's springtime. Go take a look at your vehicle, check out your suspension, make sure it's in good condition, because now's the time you're going to be using it a lot more during the summertime. You're going to be going on vacations, and there's nothing worse than having a broken leaf when you're in the middle of on a vacation. So take care, have yourself a good day, and I'll catch you next time.